Well, now we're going to get one that's one of the more interesting types, next to impossible to draw by hand, although I try sometimes. And I might even ask you to try to draw one of these on an exam, but a space curve, okay? These are much harder, if not impossible to draw, but we'll try one. See, now I got an x component, a y component, and a z component. So I got a vector valued function. Actually, I'd like to draw a vector sign above that r, make it boldface so you know it's a vector, but I guess the I, the j, and the k are kind of a clue that it is that. And now I'm saying t goes from 0 to 4 pi. This is the same curve as in the above example. If you looked at it from above, it would be the exact same picture. So why is it different with this plus tk? Well, that means it's got a z component. And it goes around the circle twice, but the k part of the vector valued function changes things because we're now in three-dimensional space. And what I'm doing here, I'm showing you how I need to draw this with my particular software idiom. And here is a picture of that. Now, as I was saying, oh, what happened to my picture? There it is. As I was saying, the picture, if I look straight down on it, you can see that it's twice around the circle, so it really is the same as this. But having that z component stretches out into something that looks like a spring, and I guess you can see that. We would start, you remember starting, the function looks like this, so when t is 0, the x component is 2, the y component is 0, and the z component is 0. So it starts here and winds up once around the circle. But as we go around the circle, see, the z component is getting higher until we finally get up to here, and that would be z equal to 4 pi, which is about 12. If you can see it from the side, you can see that the 12 point something or other is about right. See how that gets up higher than 10? If I make my plane nice and flat and level, you can see that it's up higher than 10, etc. And it goes around twice. And sometimes this is called a helix. I don't know if you've ever heard that expression before, but that's what it's called. It's called a helix. So here's another one. This is only a two-dimensional one. I'll get that in the next video.